Alright, I'm going to do my first video here of Mr. Zappa. And Zappa and his brother Ziggy came to us some years ago when they lost their owner through no fault of their own. They were in our program for a couple of months before they found another home where they did very well and were very bonded with a senior gentleman who lived by himself. Good lap sitters, just very, very bonded to this gentleman. He has passed away, and so these two cats are back with us, and this is Zappa. Ziggy is currently at the vet, so I'll talk about him in a minute. They just got here a couple of days ago. They are bonded very tightly together. We are getting them updated on their vet work this week. So for 10-plus-year-old, which they are at 11, we do full blood panels, thyroid check, urinalysis, and dental work if they need it, if they need any extractions. Teeth look good, and so on Wednesday, today being Monday, Zappa here will go in and see the vet and get all that done. Now, Zappa has a long-term issue of over-grooming, and so he's got naked belly and some naked legs, and he does that during times of stress, and that has been known for him to do that since he was about 2 years old. So this is just a condition that, just sort of a nervous habit. And of course, the last, month or so has been very stressful for him with the loss of his owner. He is on a prescription diet, which is designed to help with upchucking, because either him or Ziggy or both eat too fast and sometimes throw up. So we have a bag of that food to send with him, and certainly not a big deal to feed him that food. They are dry food eaters only. Now, Ziggy, who is at the vet, has a growth in his mouth that we are having removed tomorrow and biopsied. And we'll have more information at tomorrow as to how he does, and then the biopsy will take a couple of days to find out what the status is. If it is cancerous, we'd like to send him home, I guess, as a hospice kitty, with the understanding that probably this will grow back or continue to be a concern. If it's not cancerous and it's just a sort of an immune-mediated growth, which means something that his immune system is sort of creating in response to all the stress they've been through, then there will be some treatments that we can use to deal with that. But so we have some outstanding information to work through with Ziggy still. Lovely boys. Right now I'm looking at August 1st for their go-home date. Very talkative, very involved, and very lovely. And so this guy, who has spent the first 24 hours that he was with us really kind of screaming and yelling at the top of his lungs in irritation at having lost his home, I think is now all tuckered out. So more in another video when we have Mr. Ziggy back and we have a little bit more information.